Hey there, I'm Aaron with Arkto Campers, and in this video we want to show you one of the optional upgrades in our 2024 Arkto Campers G12, and that is the Wrappon Trekker Electric Portable Toilet. Normally in our trailers, they come standard with a Thetford porta potty, which is housed in the same cabinet as this Wrappon. But what makes the Wrappon so special, well, you'll see in a half second here, but you actually do your business in a bag. So what happens after you're done your business is you hit the flush button on the remote over here, and this toilet will then retract the plastic bag slightly. An arm will come and pinch off the bag, heat seal it, cut it off, drop it out the bottom of the toilet, and reopen a brand new bag all automatically, so you do not have to touch or handle anything. And when it's all said and done, you can make your way around the other side of the trailer here at this access panel door and reach underneath the toilet, grab the bag that's laying there, and dispose of it. So there's no need to go to dump stations or RV dump stations like you would with the normal Thetford porta potty. Keeping in mind with this toilet, you can actually also utilize this in our shower enclosure in the back, just like how we promote our porta potty, that it's an indoor and outdoor use toilet. There's a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug on the side here that's powering this. And when you opt for this option, we also install a 12-volt cigarette lighter on the back wall of the trailer. So there you have it, the Wrappon Trekker Electric Portable Toilet. If you have any questions, you're of course always welcome to reach out to us, admin@arctocampers.com, or on social media @arctocampers. Thanks and have a great day.